Chennai-M.Tech Power Electronics and Drives offered by VIT University with the objective to maintain and train competent engineers and professionals to meet the needs of industry related to power electronics, drives, power electronics applications in power systems and the transportation sector. To enhance the capability of students to understand the importance of power electronic devices and their wide applications in this modern era, and to make students more industry proficient by providing them knowledge about advanced software and information technology sector involved in power electronics by the help of simulation studies and improving their analytical thinking capability.
We have fully equipped labs which include power electronics hardware lab, power electronics software lab, power system simulation software lab and the basic electrical labs. In these labs, sophisticated equipments are available for the students to use for their research and for their regular work. In addition to the sophisticated hardwares, we have up-to-date softwares also, namely MATLAB, PSIM, PSpice, VISIM, DSpace and so on.
Software labs are equipped with advanced industry adopted and various softwares like MATLAB, PSpice, PSIM, LabVIEW and MyPower, and which are available for enhancing secured basis understanding of students, which makes them enthusiastic to research in advanced topologies in power electronics. Our labs are well equipped and the infrastructure is pretty nice, and the best part of VIT is our labs, especially software labs. In software labs you can see almost all big priced softwares are there, like PSpice, PSIM, which has been recently bought and been installed. It's a very expensive software.
Our labs are totally research based. They are well equipped with all necessary instruments and software packages. Students can compare their theoretical findings with experimental proofs. M.Tech program authorities always make sure to bring softwares which are used in companies so that we would have hands-on practice.
As a research-based learning for the entire semester. At the end of the semester, they are required to publish the outcome of their project in an international level conference or a journal or a national level conference. There are 5 instances of students publishing their paper at international conference level. They are working towards publishing more such outcomes in journal papers.
This is on research. Here, separate portions of the marks of this set is allocated to this RBL or research-based learning. What it provides us is an opportunity to work with the hardware or work directly with an industrial experience that is provided inside the college here, which makes us more employable and more valuable as engineers.
So, my research topic was about intelligent control of electric types, and I found RBL to be very effective to our M.Tech curriculum, because this RBL considers to be a stepping stone like for our research to our PhD level, and this makes us host capable of doing research. And I have published 2 papers during my first 2 semesters here.
We started our research on a power quality improvement in different circuit topologies. So we got different results on AC regulator and harmonic analysis in it. After that, we sent it to different international conferences and journals. We got acceptance and we went there and we achieved success to get the prize of Best Researcher Award in that conference.
RBL, that is research based learning, gives us an opportunity to put our research skill into practice. Because of that, we are able to know the latest research which are going on around the world, including that which our staff members are doing.
I have 4 PG students doing RBL under me, and they are doing really sincere work, doing simulation, everything, and I understand from their level that they are able to understand the concept very well rather than reading a paper. They do the entire simulations given in the paper and they learn the concept much better.
It helps us to how to feel to person in a conference, or how to be in a conference, or how to prepare a good paper to be cited in a very good conferences. So this helps us to know more about in detail about the subjects and about the curriculum, and we know how to know some extra about the syllabus or curriculum.
I have done my research-based learning right from the beginning, and it gives us an opportunity to actually work hard in our own field. It led to my publication in the IEEE conference held in Dindigul in 2013. Because of that, now I have a credential added to my name here.
We already got accepted and published in international conferences held in Coimbatore last year, and even one of our paper got accepted in IEEE, and another paper was accepted in 2 international journals. Like, an achievement in this area was never expected before coming to this college.
It gave us more confidence to do better research and get better results in these areas. So we move ahead in different research methodology and different research topics. Those are a little bit advanced, but we think we can get it and we can do it better. So we move it into fuzzy logic topic and drive controls, and we also got acceptance in those topics in 2 different international journals.
Because of RBL, we learn to use different tools of research. It is a foundation for PhD, and because of that, we are encouraged to publish papers in national, international and IEEE conferences.
Our guide us a lot. He helps us how to get an idea, how to go into an idea, how to approach an idea to get an optimized solution for a problem. So I found RBL to be very effective, and it's very required and it's very essential for M.Tech.
I should say that this is a total the concept and the culture of learning here in VIT through research. That is what has led us towards this kind of a position where we can sit and say that we are capable of doing research and finding results and publishing them in international platforms. To equip the students with latest software tools and advances in research and make them aware of the trends in industry, workshops are regularly arranged by the department in which the students are trained by experts from industry as well as academicians. Seminars by foreign faculty are also conducted regularly to provide international exposure to the students and a taste of the scenario abroad. The advanced teaching methodology, well-equipped classrooms, and research-based learning makes our students distinct and competent from all other power electronics graduates.